Hello, this is Crowe. I'm here to do my daily video for Aisa Love's 100K Mastermind training. In these videos, we're to discuss things that we're learning through the webinar, but also we're learning from other people in the groups. So one thing I'm going to discuss today is that we are going through, and in the syndication, we are doing things to support other people in our group. We're going in and liking and making comments on the things that they've been posting. But I recommend that don't just go there and like it and comment on it. Actually look at what these people are doing. There's some fantastic people in this group. I mean, there's a lot of talent here. Some people are putting out some really good stuff. Use their examples. So don't just run there real quickly and like it and comment and take off to another one. Go through and look at what they're doing and model after these that's really doing a good job. Also, in one of Aisa's posts, she said, hey, sweep my post here. So, I mean, not sweep, swipe. Use the wrong word, sorry. Swipe my post. In other words, take her post, copy it, go, if you don't have maybe come up with an idea for something, just use her content, go and create your own. You can even use her same lead magnet if you want to, and put it on your site. She said do that. She said swipe my post. And I've done that on other people too. Like there was one of them, I think it was Hyman, did one on procrastination. So what I did was I just copied that and I pasted in ChatGPT and told ChatGPT to rewrite this for me. ChatGPT rewrote it for me, and when I rewrote it, I did a video. So I didn't use the same information that he used, but I took his information, had ChatGPT rewrite it. So I'm not saying the same thing he said, but I used his idea. And you can do that from other people. Look at their thing, what they got there. If you like it, take it, let ChatGPT rewrite it for you, and then you can use it. So you're not copying exactly what they're doing. You're just using their ideas to kind of help you quickly. The more times that you can do something quick, then the more information you can get out there. So, folks, we are lucky to be in this group with the leadership we have. So let's take advantage of it. Take advantage of our leaders. Take advantage of the other people in our group that are really, really good. And let's all do well with this. You know, I was just thinking this morning, I just wonder, Dr. VOJ and Aisa, they give us some good stuff along the way. They give us rewards. They give us money. They give us a prize for winning the contest. When we actually we're talking about we're in the 100K Mastermind training, I wonder what kind of bonus they're going to give us when we reach that goal and when we make 100,000. So this group, the ones that do make 100,000, they haven't said anything about they're going to do anything like that, but I just kind of expect they will. I got faith in them. So, hey, let's all make $100,000, and then we'll get a group picture where we've accomplished our goal. And that way, man, what a testimonial we're going to be for online business app when we make our 100,000. Thanks for watching. I will see you in another video.